Welcome to Data in Nutshell. In this video, we are going to learn in Excel how many conditional formatting are there, how to create a new rule, how to clear any existing rule, and how to manage conditional formatting rules in Excel. So let's dive in. To start with conditional formatting, you have to go to Home tab, click on Conditional Formatting. You will see a lot of options here. The top 5 options are the type of conditional formatting that are present in Excel. But in this video, we are going to start with new rule. So let's go and click on new rule. On the right hand side, you will see that this rule will be applied on this cell. So I want to change the range. So I'll click on this option. And then I'll select the range like this. See, it has changed from C2 to C11, right? So now this range is selected. The conditional formatting will be applied to this. Now we have different options here. One is highlight cells, then top bottom, then data bars, then we have color scales and icon sets, and lastly we have formula based conditional formatting. So all these options were available here. The top 5 options were these only. So for example, if you want to highlight the cells, highlight on the basis of some rules. So you have two options here. One is cell value. Cell value, what should be the cell value or specific text, date occurring, duplicate values, unique values, blanks, no blanks, errors and no errors. So it's based on your requirement. So let's go with cell value first in this case. I'll click on cell value and I want anything which is less than, and I'll just enter the data 300 and I'll color it as yellow and then click on done. Anything which is less than 300 will be highlighted as yellow. Now I want to go back to that rule. So if I click on this range where I applied it, you can go and click on edit again if you want to edit the value, right? And again you can go and click on done. So this is one type of conditional formatting where it is based on cell value. But now, for example, in column D, the data type is text. It is not a number. But I want all the text wherever it is mentioned as pending, I want it as red. So I click the range here first. So we can just cancel it here. Now I'll select the range here, conditional formatting, then new rule. It will directly take the range. Then click on highlight cells, click on specific text, and also it is asking me whether it should contain it, does not contain, begin with or ending with. So I'll be clicking on containing and then I'll write pending and I want it as this font and this color. So I'll just click on done. It will change it like this. And now we have percentage. So for example, now you want to add a up green arrow and a down red arrow wherever it is positive or negative based on the numbers. So I'll go and select the data, click on conditional formatting, then click on new rule and I'll click on icon sets per se, right? And I'll click on this set. So these 3 arrows are a combination. So you'll see it is highlighted, right? So whenever or whatever you select here, it will be based on these 3 arrows. So if I go and select this, that means this arrow and this arrow will be there based on the data set. So I'll click on this and I'll click on done. So automatically it will start populating the arrows based on the numbers. Wherever it is negative, it will be red, 0 is yellow and positive is green. Let's go and see what all options we have. Click on new rule. Now we have data bars. So let's first delete the conditional formatting exists in column C. So I'll select this, but you can see that nothing has changed here. So go and click on this arrow and then click on this. You will see that we have a conditional formatting here. I'll go and delete it because I want a new formatting, right? So I'll delete it. Again, select the data, conditional formatting, new rule. Now I want data bars. So I'll click on this. So what is data bars? It will create the bar within the cell like this. So the length of the cell and the bar will be automatically adjusted based on the numbers. Again, select the data, go to conditional formatting, click on new rule, and now we have color scales. This is widely used. It will try to color the cells in three format: green, yellow, and red. But there will be variations of the color. So if I go and click on this and press this, you'll see that we have yellow, but there are different shades. We have red, but there are different shades. So it's basically to know what is the highest. If it is highest in positive side, it will be dark green. If it is highest on the negative side, it will be dark red. And in between, there will be ranges based on the data. So these are the formatting types we have, which are widely used in Excel. So now there are lots of formatting in this sheet. Now I want to remove or clear the formattings. So I'll go on conditional formatting, go to clear rules. Now it is asking me whether I want to clear it from the cells or from the entire sheet. Now because it's a test file, I want to remove all the conditional formatting from all the cells. I'll click on this and everything is removed. I'll just do Control Z. It will bring all the conditional formatting back. I'll go and click on this particular range, then click on conditional formatting, clear rules from selected cells. It will only remove the data formatting from this particular cell. Now what is manage rules? Click on manage rules on the right hand side, manage rules in selection. So this is the selection currently, but I want all the rules. So I go and click on this sheet. So anywhere there is conditional formatting in this particular sheet, it will be here. And you can see when you hover it, it will highlight this range also for which this particular conditional formatting is set for. So if you don't want it, you can delete it from here also. And if you want to edit, you can use pencil sign. If you want to remove all the formatting, you can click on this button as well. It will remove all the conditional formatting from the entire cells and the sheets. So this is how conditional formatting is used. I would say you go and try and test it out. And if you have any doubts, let me know. If you want a particular option to explore, I'll create a video on it. I hope you liked my video. Thank you for watching.